Hey Ryker fans, this is Ryker Ferg. We're here in the RV and we're going to replace that carbon monoxide. So, without further ado, let me post you up and let's get to work. Beep, beep. Should be easy. I think this is going to be easier than I thought, Ryker fans. Yeah, I just cut these two. Wow, that's really easy. So these go bad every 5 years. It's no big deal. All you gotta do is just make sure everything's disconnected, like it is. I got the battery disconnected. My little kits right here, different colors. Let's see what I'm gonna use those for. And I got my strippers. Of course, you know, they come with a cutter. So we'll just go ahead and cut these right now. Strip them. Oh man. There we go. Alright. Obviously positive, negative. And let me get the right thing real quick, Ryker fans. And she just goes right in. All right. You hear it going. She's all hooked up. Thanks, Ryker. Ryker, out.